You really don't want to stick your finger in there once this thing is moving. And then this thing is the manual control. You can move it up and down like this. So you move it all the way up so that you can release it from this needle, because once this is down and your cloth is in between, you can't pull it out, right? So you just got to turn it up, make the needle come up, and then you lift this little pushy thing. You gotta lift it up so that you can pull your cloth out. So let me demonstrate how to put a new piece of string in through here. You put it through this hole, and then you put it through this tensioner here. This holds it a little bit tighter or looser so that you can control the amount of string that's going in there, or thread that's going in there. And then you thread this through that little tiny hole over here. Here's where I really need this threader thing, or else I don't think I will be able to put a string through this hole. Okay, then you put this string through that thing there, and you just pull it out. Okay, and then you have about 2 inches of string out here, and then you're ready to go. So I got this little piece of cloth I want to turn into a little pocket, so I'm going to fold it up like this. This is inside out first, and then you lift this tab and put in your cloth right here. It's going to feed the cloth to the left. I don't want it to go all the way to the end, so I'm going to lift this tab and gonna make a turn here. That didn't work out too well because I just went off the track here. Let me do it again. Put this back in there. And I give it a rip. Okay, so it's at the end here. I need to push it all the way up to the top. I'm gonna push this out. Okay, and then I'll give this a cut here. So you'll notice there's this little loop left over here. If you just pull on this string, it's just all going to unravel, which is not what you want. You want it to be locked. So what we'll do is you just pull this little hoop out a little bit longer, and then you feed this piece of string through that little loop, and then you pull it tight, and just like that. It's all taut and it's not going to unravel that way. So you make sure this little piece of string isn't too short, because if it's a little short, it's going to go back through that little loop and then it'll unravel. So just kind of cut it off, give it some margin like that, and then on this side, you just give it a little bit of margin, and then now pull this